From day one, our aim was to provide a housing solution for our community. It's definitely not shipping container house. We build proper houses on a chassis with wheels, which means the same way you would build a house on a concrete slab, we build it on a chassis. Aussie Tiny Houses builds houses up to 35 square meters. They build on a chassis with wheels. They have a ground level and a loft level. They are fully self-contained, fully insulated with an R2.5 value. They are classified as a vehicle under the caravan regulation, and they are fully sustainable. The advantage of having a house built on wheels is they are affordable, they are transportable, they are easy to relocate and position, and again, they don't require a building permit. Its footprint, which is fairly small if compared to a normal dwelling, and they can be completely off-grid, harvesting your own water, solar power, and composting toilets. To be classified as a vehicle/caravan, there's a few restrictions. They can't be wider than 2.5 meters. They can't be higher than 4.3 meters from the ground level to the highest point of the house, and they can't be over 4.5 tons. If tiny houses are built within those guidelines, they can be legally transported on the road. And again, they don't require a building permit. Don't get mistaken, everything we use is the same as you would use in a normal house, so our aim is to give the look and feel of a home. Majority of the building process is the same as a normal house, but because we build them in a controlled environment, the inside of the house gets done first, and then we wrap it up and make it waterproof. Everything we use in terms of product is the same that you will see in any normal house. Flooring, joinery, tapware, windows, finishings, insulation, painting, plumbing. It's pretty much like a normal house, apart from gas, which we have to follow the caravan regulation. You name it, everything is the same as you find in a regular house. There is no difference whatsoever. We say they are tough, we say they are bulletproof. The water tightness on these houses are second to none. Aussie Tiny Houses provide 3 building stages. So you can have the turnkey. What we call a turnkey is a fully completed house with everything you need. Then you have the shell, which is the house with electrical, plumbing, painting, but not joinery, not tapware. And then you have the lock-up stage, which is just wrapped up on the outside and a bare frame on the inside. At the end of the day, a place where you're gonna live the rest of your life has to feel like a home.